Samhradh Beag.
Mi van for bhí ann, ach bhí an aimsir go brath fós. Bhí an grian ag tanmh. Ní raibh scamal sa spéir. Bhí sé an te. Bhí tíleinta agus brístí gearra na páistí. Bhí aontas agus áthas gach duine.
Ceistena. Ceist a héan. Cén bhí a bhí an? Ceist a dó. Cén sort aimsire a bhí an? Ceist a trí. An raibh scamal sa spéir. Ceist a chathair. An raibh sé an te. Ceist a cúig. An raibh aontas gach duine.
Okay, Samhradh Beag means a small summer, and a small summer occurs just in autumn when the weather is still good. So up the top there it says, Mi van for a bhí ann. Mi van for is September. A bhí ann it was. It was September. Ach, but, bhí an aimsir go brath fós. The aimsir is the weather. The weather was go brath, was fine, and fós means still. So it was September, and the weather was still fine. Bhí an grian ag taitneamh. The sun was ag taitneamh. The sun was shining. Ní raibh scamal sa spéir. Ní raibh means there wasn't. Scamal are clouds. Sa spéir in the sky. There weren't clouds in the sky. Bhí sé an te. It was very warm. Bhí tíleinse. Tíleinse are t-shirts. Agus brístí gearra. Brístí gearra are short trousers. Gearra means short. Brístí are trousers, so short trousers or shorts. Na páistí. The children had t-shirts and shorts on. Bhí aontas agus áthas gach duine. There was wonder and happiness on everybody. Surprise and happiness on everybody. Everybody was surprised and happy because of the nice weather. Okay?